This video will give you an overview of how to use the authoring tool. First, go to the Lab Journals drop-down menu and select Browse Journals. Select the journal that you would like to edit. Hit the Copy Lab Journal icon so that the lab journal appears in the My Journals tab. Select the Edit icon so you can enter the authoring tool. Once in the authoring tool, you can begin changing things. So you can change the title of the journal. You can change the description, which is the first thing that your students will see when they log in to do an assignment. You can change the grade levels, the subject matter. The first two steps are grayed out. This is a survey that iLab's developers have included for your students because they would like to know how to best improve the product. This step is one that you can change. The step type, each box that you see corresponds with one page that your student will see in their assignment on their device. The step type corresponds to different editing options. Step title and step content is what your students are actually going to see when they're doing the lab journal. The title will appear at the top, and then the content will be what they read. You can include different resources in the step content. If you would like to insert a web page link, give a title, the address of that link, and use this icon off to the side to insert it into the text. The different resources will be inserted wherever your cursor is located. If you'd like to add an image, find the location of the image that you want to use on the internet, then copy the address for that image and paste it into this box. That will add the image at that point. If you'd like to add a YouTube video, copy the address of the YouTube video, paste it into this box, and click the icon. You can click the preview button to see what this looks like for students so far. So here's the first two steps that are the survey. Here's the image that we inserted called Science. Here's the link that we inserted. You can add questions to different steps. There are two different ways to add questions. If you click on this box, this activates a question bank. The question bank is composed of questions that have been created by educators and then shared. So if you see a question you like what is a Geiger counter, you can drag and drop it. As soon as it turns green, you can let go. These buttons over here will give you different information about the questions. So I'll show you what the question is, the different options that are provided. This is a drop-down question. You can create your own question using the new question form. So you can type your question here. Select the answer field that you would like students to use. So text area is for a paragraph answer. Text field is for a short fill-in-the-blank answer. Slider bar is if you have a range of options and you want them to be able to select from a bar. Drop-down creates a drop-down menu. Multi-select is a multiple choice question where their students are able to select more than one correct answer. Multiple choice is where there is one correct answer. So if I make this a drop-down menu, options are the different choices that students have available to choose from for answers. These should be separated by a comma. Answer is the correct answer, and this should match whatever option is correct. And that's for quicker grading. Answer guide is a chance for you to explain what the correct answer is to people who are reviewing the questions and grading the assignments for students and providing feedback. Tags makes it so that people can find the question in the question bank more easily. Once you're done, hit Create Question. It will appear in the question bank and also in your list. Teacher notes are a way for you to share information with other educators about the step that you've created. Should you wish to delete a step or a question, you can use the garbage can delete icon. Should you wish to change the order of steps or questions, you can use the up and down arrows. That's for step, this is for question. If you'd like to add a step at the very end of your journal so you can add more content, you can use the Add Step button located up here. As mentioned, the preview icon lets you see what your students are going to see. So here is the question that we created, what is science? There's the different options. You can see the images, videos, different types of questions. Once you're done editing a journal, select Save. And this message will appear to let you know that your journal has been saved successfully.